This allows members to prevent themselves from being pinged. The NoPingMe template already offers something similar, but the user will still be pinged. CC responds and deletes the ping only after it's been sent. This instead integrates with native AutoMod to block the ping from being sent at all. I originally intended to have an auto-reply as well, but deemed it unnecessary since I have another bot to do that part with. The command itself runs on a /command trigger linked to the /DnD command in my case. It takes an input of status, which is a string and only accepts enable or disable. This is placed into a temporary variable command status and will either add the person who ran the command to the AutoMod rule DnD list with ID listed. I've used a random number for the rule ID, but you should certainly change yours to match the one you have made. The cooldown exists because CC will not be able to alter AutoMod rules more than once per minute, possibly 10 seconds less, but running the enable command adds 2 keywords to the AutoMod rule while disable removes them. You can also use Sapphire in order to send an automatic reply or code your own custom response. Run the command by typing /DnD disable or enable, which toggles it on or off. You can also see the cooldown I mentioned earlier.